and for the Council of Governors.
Mitino ya bunge ĩgiũgima wa mwĩrĩ yambĩrĩirie ĩrĩ na thayũ no thutha wa ihinda thayũ ũcio watharara na maũndũ macenjia na marĩa mekwaragĩrĩrio marũgama kwa ihinda.
We will tell the people of Kenya what is right.
Proceed.
But Chair, I agree with you.
NJIKANIRIO ya mĩario mĩhiũ kuma kona ĩmwe nginyagia ĩrĩa ĩngĩ ciambĩrĩria. Mĩario ĩno ĩgĩikanĩrio nĩ mũmbunge wa KITUTU CHACHE Antony Kibagendi, mũmbunge wa Nandi Cynthia Muge, ayeri magĩũkĩrĩra Minista wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ ADEN Duale.
Not your kids here to come and unatusomea kama watoto wako.
My kids are not. My kids are not.
And we will not. You are a hostile witness.
My kids.
We will not allow you to continue intimidating this committee. We will not allow you.
I will not allow you to.
I
will not allow you to extort and blackmail the Minister of Health.
Who is extorting you?
You are extorting the Minister of Health.
Who is extorting you? Nonsense is what you've been selling out here. We will not allow you. Honorable,
you have a conflict of interest.
Who has extorted you?
We have closed your hospitals.
Who has extorted you?
Duale na Kibagendi mathire na mbere kwambũrũrũka matekũheana mweke wa gũthikanĩrĩria. Duale akiuga Kibagendi arĩ na matũkũya na arararakwo kuona nĩ akanjĩirwo marũa ma kũheana motungata rungu rwa SHA thĩinĩ wa thibitarĩ ciake, ũndũ ũrĩa Kibagendi areganire naguo kuria oririe Duale agwete marĩtwa ma thibitarĩ icio.
This is nonsense. You can witness to come here.
The chair, I'm chairing this, and I asked you.
Not chairing. He's the one who is chairing.
No.
He's telling you what to do.
No.
It is true. You are intimidated by this man.
No.
Just because he's a president, Kenyans needs to know Duale is messing up health.
You cannot
We are not your children. Who are you?
Let me take this.
No, we will not allow you. Just because you are the president,
you are the extortion.
we will not allow you. You are the extortion.
Kibagendi, you are out of order.
NJIKANIRIO no ithire na mbere o nginyagia mũmbunge Kibagendi arutũrũrwo nja wa kamĩtĩ ĩno. Duale agĩkinyĩrĩria nĩ kwandĩkĩra speaker wa bunge marũa ma kũmũria Kibagendi eherio kamĩtĩ-inĩ ya bunge ĩgiĩ ũgima wa mwĩrĩ.
You are intimidated by this man.
Intimidated. So let this exchange not between me and you. We can actually ask you to leave.
I can actually leave.
It's okay.
I can actually leave.
It's okay.
You can't live by borrowed values.
You should not be this committee because of conflict of interest. You should not be this committee. And we'll write to the speaker.
You write to the.
We will write to the speaker.
Produce evidence
that own facilities.
You are the one who sit in the this ministry.
It was a shouting match between two people. It is unfair for you to send one member and leave the other party of shouting. You cannot do that, Honorable Chair.
Kamĩtĩ ĩno ĩgũcemanĩtie kwarĩrĩria mathĩna marĩa magũmĩire rũhonge rwa motungata ma SHA o hamwe na gwetherwo kĩhonia kĩamo na arĩa megwĩkinyĩtie nĩ Ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ na bodi ya kũramata rũhonge rwa SHA.
I do not feel safe right now in the presence of the Honorable CS, who keeps imputing improper motive on my term, whether first or fifth.
Ona kũrĩ ũguo Duale ndanetĩkĩra gũcokia ciũria gũkũ akĩhoya ihinda rĩa thikũ 7 nĩguo ministry hamwe na bodi makorwo makĩharĩrĩria macokio ma ciũria icio.
But I don't think a document that I've been given 20 minutes ago is a document that I can speak to. And I have given.
Each time we ask Duale hard questions, he comes up with stories. If it is a hospital that is asking Duale questions, he will quickly say that that hospital is involved in fraud so that he doesn't pay them.
Kiribotera Kameme TV Getwo wa Boi wa Jogona.